Hello and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression. 13 times 13 divided by 13 times 13. If you multiply 13 times 13, which is equal to 169, and if you multiply 13 times 13 again, which is equal to 169, and 169 divide 169, the solution will be 1, and this is absolutely wrong. Now, are you ready to solve the problem in right way? Let's go ahead and get started. As we know, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So first this multiplication, and then this division, and finally this multiplication. 13 times 13 gives us 169. So we have 169. Let's recopy. Divided by 13 and times 13. Now we do this division. 169 divide 13, which equal to 13. So we have 13 times 13 gives us just 169. So our final answer to this problem is just 169. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.